Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best crash pads that are available on the market for their true quality.
My personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Madrock R3 Crash Pad. This crash pad comes with a unique flat system to keep the foam inside of the pad flat. The flat crash pad also folds over easily. Moreover, this crash pad is resistant to dampness. Furthermore, this one effectively slows down the impact of the landing. This crash pad has the recycled EVA PU foam. The foam of this crash bag is highly disposable. It comes with the tough nylon cover. Moreover, the nylon cover is tear resistant and come with the proper durability. Furthermore, the shell cover flap of this one allows easy and secured portability. This lightweight item not only provides comfortable gripping, but it also prevents the injuries during the landing or dropping. The crash pad with smart design allows convenient storage. You can also use this one for relaxing or seating as well. The nylon layer of this item strongly prevents the foam from coming out. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Z Athletic Exercise Mat. This highly versatile and one of the best crash pads not only works as a bouldering pad but also works as a gym mat and martial art pad. Moreover, you can use this one for tumbling or as an exercise mat. Furthermore, this one, with medium soft foam filling and a 4-inch thickness, permits the variety of landing. Even, you can use this as a cushion for the junior training bar or top bar. The robust construction of this product withstands all the rough handling. Moreover, the 18 Oz vinyl cover of the product comes with a tear-proof layer. This one also includes an open cell foam for the every-time injury-free landing. The soft but sturdy foam also works excellent as a relaxing cushion. Furthermore, this two-fold panel crash pad easily folds down. So, you can easily store and carry this cushion wherever you want. You get a hoop and loop connector on both ends of this item. At number 3, we have the Fun gymmatsdirect Gymnastics Mat. This is easily foldable. It comes with the environment-friendly high-density cross-linked polyethylene foam. This foam is also safe for the children. Moreover, this crash pad comes with a thickness of 2 inches or 4, is ideal for your children. Furthermore, this one is suitable for gymnastics, parkour, martial arts, Pilates, yoga, stretching and so on. This is also a non-toxic crash pad. Moreover, this is resistant to mildew and water. Furthermore, this comes with the sanitary protection and puncture-free. This crash pad contains harmless lead, formaldehyde, and phthalate according to the CPSIA requirements. It is a really long-lasting product. You get 2 inbuilt handles with this crash pad for easy transportability. The foldable feature of this crash pad allows easy storage. It comes with the safety zipper locks. The side-to-side and end-to-end Velcro straps allow easy tumbling runs. At number 2, we have the Skil-Care 5-foot x 5-foot sensory foam crash pad. This one is the ideal resting place for your kids' relaxation time. You get 2 diverse size alternatives on this one. Loaded up with foam, this item gives an agreeable and delicate seat as well as providing strength and durability. Moreover, this item has a sturdy and tear-proof nylon cover to last longer. Furthermore, this cover permits quick and straightforward cleaning with a simple wiping. It is definitely one of the best crash pads to invest your money on. This pad is not only soft enough for resting but also, it withstands the harsh dealing with or bouncing. Additionally, you get this item with the distance across of 4 feet x 3. The foam-filled crash pad does not get effectively packed. Moreover, you can utilize this crash pad for your children with no safety issues. This product, with its lightweight, supports easy portability. It also comes with a convenient storage option. You get simple foam chunks inside of this item. And finally, at number 1, we have the Everlast Folding Exercise Mat. This one not only contains open cell foam, but it also includes the closed cell foam. This crash pad is very much durable. You do not need the ropes for climbing when you own this. Furthermore, this is a great way to spend family time without going anywhere. The soft but sturdy foam also works excellent as a relaxing cushion. This item not only works great as a bouldering pad, but it is also suitable for extreme physical activities. This is a tear-resistant product. It comes with the multi-density foam. Moreover, the simple design of this one allows simple and easy transportability. The nylon layer of this item strongly prevents the foam from coming out. The foldable feature of this one allows easy storage. Furthermore, the large size of this crash pad prevents you from serious injuries due to the landing.
Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.